In this video, I'll show you how to use Moodle's course reuse feature, a simple way to copy or import course content without starting from scratch. Let's get started. First, log into your Moodle site and open the course where you want to reuse content. Now, look for the More menu at the top of your course page and choose Course Reuse. You'll see several options here, like Import, Backup, and Restore. If you want to bring content from another course you teach, choose Import. Select the course you want to copy content from, then click Continue. When you're ready, click Next, then perform import. Moodle will copy everything over for you, easy. And that's it. Your new course now includes all the materials you selected, saving you tons of setup time every semester.